what tapware color to choose. This is a question my clients ask me very early in the bathroom renovation process. And because there's so much to choose from. You have, of course, your traditional chrome, but there's also the brushed nickel, there's matte black, there's white, there is bronze and gold, you name it. What I like to do is I select the tiles first and then I match the tapware color. If this marble look tile is, for instance, your choice for your walls in the bathroom, you can combine it beautifully with this brushed nickel. Have a look how classic that looks and very elegant. But you can change the feeling of your bathroom if you pair it, for instance, with matte black. That also works beautifully, but it gives a way more casual look, as you can see. And if you selected, for instance, this wall tile for your bathroom, the beautiful Banksia, you can match it, for instance, with gold tapware. Have a look how elegant that looks. Isn't it stunning? I would like to know which tapware color you prefer. Please leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Bye.